Hey everybody, I've got another review for you. It's been a while, so it's time that I got something else up there for y'all to watch. This here is actually a pellet gun that I've had in the family for a long time. It's a fairly old gun, but it's a great gun, and so I'll kind of run through it real quick. It is a Diana. Move this out of the way. Single shot pellet gun, and it's got a red dot sight on it. It is made in West Germany, so this was purchased prior to the Berlin Wall falling. So you can probably guess how old it is. It's got great, comfortable ergonomic wood grips. Let me take this off the tripod and get some close-ups here. This is a spring action gun, so it does not use CO2 or compressed nitrogen or some of the other gases that some of the newer competition pellet guns use. Incidentally, because it's a spring action, it's rather difficult to cock. So if you have say a junior Olympic shooter or a younger person that's wanting to learn to shoot a pistol pellet gun, this is a difficult gun to cock just because the spring action is so hard on it. They also probably don't use these in the Olympic matches anymore just because the strain it puts on the shooter when they're constantly cocking the gun, it gets old after a while. So they're primarily using, compressed oxygen or nitrogen or some kind of gas that doesn't react with ambient temperatures outside and change the overall pressure of the gun. Even though this is a spring action gun and not say a CO2 gun or compressed nitrogen or something like that, it's a very accurate gun, and I have shot many a starling that has taken residence in my backyard. Get a close-up of that scope there. See if I can flip this up here. Numbers on the sides are how bright the little laser dot inside here is, and the front adjusts here. It's almost like a polarized filter, so you adjust it one way and it gets a little bit darker, adjust it one way, it gets brighter. So if you got a glare outside, it kind of helps get rid of the glare. This is adjustable on the bottom here, as you can see, to fit different hand widths. I have a fairly narrow hand, so it fits mine pretty good. Get a look at the serial numbers here. Made in West Germany logo there. And there's the model. Down it says Model 6, if you can see it. Model 6, there we go. I don't know a ton about this particular weapon, just because it wasn't mine originally and I didn't purchase it. But I have shot it quite a bit and I really do like it. I guess the only negative about it would be Of course, the really stiff cocking spring, but that does make for a really nice, accurate gun, and has quite a nice velocity with it. Put this back in the tripod. The gun breaks right here, goes all the way down, and then straight back up. It's a single shot. Primarily ammo I use for that. Is that brand. It's a match grade pellet. Very, very nice pellet. I've also used these. These Beeman pellets, they're very nice match grade pellets as well. They do fit a little bit tighter in the barrel, so I don't know if I'm getting a drop in velocity. I haven't actually chronographed this thing to see how fast the pellet's coming out, but they're nice. Good quality match grade pellet. Close-up of the pellet. And then of course I have some cheapo Gamma pellets that I've used as well. They're alright. They're not a precision pellet, but they work alright for varmint control. Don't know tons about the gun, like I said. It does have an adjustable trigger. I've never adjusted it. There's the adjustment screws. It does have a nice stop on it when you pull the trigger. There's a stop, and then right after that stop it immediately fires, which makes it nice for setting it. Yeah, so if you have any questions about it, I'll do my best to answer. Or if you've ever used this gun or seen this gun before and shot it, I'd like to hear from you. Thanks a bunch.